Hi good people, nice to meet you again. Today Balloon Kids the channel will show you how to make a dough mixer. Like the video show you we preparing the balloon one by one. We can use in different colors. First twisting. First balloon we twist the fingers bubble. We make it double side and next to the small pins twist. The small pins twist we make two pieces, and for the fingers bubble in the same size we need about 3 pieces. And this is will be for the handle of the mixer. Okay, we make it tidy by cutting the rest of that balloon. Okay, and let's continue for the next twisting. Take the next balloon and we use different colors. The same twisting. After we twist the nozzles into the small pin twist, then we start make a double side of a fingers bubble. Of course, the sizes will be longer than the first twisting. Alright, so this one we repeat again and we make it across of the first. Yeah, we have done it, and to get the nice shape like the real one we need additional rubber. Yep, so just like that, we tied the twisting. Then now we adjust the position of that. Yeah, so we have done for the dough mixer. I hope you get yours with your own balloon, and the color you can adjust by yourself. So we'll see you again with the next video. Thank you to join us. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to support, just like the video, and subscribe my channel. We'll see you again with the next twisting. Thank you and bye bye.